Welcome to SMS Mentor. Blessing to all of you. Here in this video lecture we learn 8 tips how to gain knowledge about the Holy Quran. You can follow these steps. Let's start. Number 1. Read and recite the Quran. Number 2. Study Tafsir. Number 3. Seek knowledge from scholars. Number 4. Study Quranic sciences. Number 5. Reflect and contemplate. Number 6. Memorize verses. Number 7. Join study circles or online communities. Number 8. Read commentaries and books. For more understanding of these steps, let's look in details. Vice.
To gain knowledge about the Holy Quran, you can start by reading and reciting the Quran. Begin with the original Arabic text, or if you're not familiar with Arabic, read translations in your native language. Reciting the Quran helps you develop a connection with its teachings and appreciate its linguistic beauty. To deepen your understanding, study Tafsir, which refers to the scholarly interpretation and explanation of the Quranic verses. Choose a reliable tafsir book written by renowned scholars throughout history. Seek knowledge from scholars who specialize in Quranic studies. Attend lectures, seminars, or classes conducted by qualified scholars who can guide you in understanding the Quran. Study Quranic sciences such as Arabic grammar, syntax, and rhetoric. By studying these sciences, you will gain a better understanding of the linguistic and literary aspects of the Quran. Reflect and contemplate on the meanings and messages of the Quranic verses. Take time to ponder over the wisdom and guidance it offers. Memorize verses of the Quran to internalize its teachings. Start with shorter chapters or verses and gradually increase the amount you memorize over time. Study circles or online communities where you can discuss and share knowledge about the Quran. Read commentaries and books written by reputable scholars to gain a broader understanding of the Quran and its teachings.